Okay, so ready to replace the entire bracket. How much did you pay for the entire bracket anyway?
$28?
Seriously? $28?
It was like $28 plus tax, and the shipping with Prime was basically 1 day. So.
And how much they wanted at the auto parts?
Like $300.
$300. But a ver.
What? Yes, that's the cables, and that's not loose. Oh, no, that's just there. It's fine. It doesn't do anything.
You sure?
It just kind of slots into something, and it was there. It just kind of fell off.
Oh, here it is. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's a switch. See? Press on here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, interesting.
And what's that to? It's not. Oh no, this is the one that goes over.
Yes,
okay.
That's right. This is what's
right.
next, though.
So $300 versus 27, right?
28.
28. Hey, that's not bad. Well, if anyone has a B2000 Mazda 86, they can save that much.
I think this.
It's a $250 savings.
I don't know how many models this covers, because this is actually a really common thing. I think this version of the Switch goes up to the 93, up to the year 93, or it's similar, but it should overall cover the same thing.
Well, why don't we explain why we're replacing that?
I'd rather not.
People need to know, mijo, if they bump into that same problem, they need to know where it's coming from, because you know how we ended up spending all that money.
$2,300, that's around what we spent on it.
Yeah.
And all for a $25 part to be it.
No, just give us a little explanation of what happened, what was the symptoms, and...
While driving, the fucking thing would cut out.
So we thought it was the distributor at one time, and we bought a distributor.
And the carburetor, and eventually we did the clutch, and then it just wouldn't turn on, and it turns out this was cutting power while we were in the middle of the road. We didn't know that. Whatever.
I think what led us to finding the problem was the capacitor. It kind of gave us like the first clue, huh? The fact that the capacitor was burned out. Then you tested the wires, and it had negative and positive, both in one, so that indicated that it was shorted out.
Now the question is, how do I remove this thing?
And not because of that ignition switch. But even as we ran it seemed like when a clutch
It
was slipping.
But the thing is, I kept telling you, it sounds like it's off.
Yeah.
I kept telling you and telling you.
That's a problem with short wires, because with movement, sometimes it makes contact, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it's shorted, sometimes it's not. So...
Ow.
Well, the best thing to advise people would be to check the capacitor for leaks and check on the ignition.
The first thing they want to do is make sure that their power isn't being grounded.
Well,
it's one of the
too.
simplest things to test.
Yeah.
Is your power shorted down to ground? If it is, there's a problem if your key's off.
Yeah. Are you gonna buy the steering wheel?
I want to put a quick release on it, I told you. But that stuff's expensive, so I'm gonna probably wait a bit before I do that. Okay.
Make sure there's nothing else holding.
It's kind of hard to tell right here. Actually, let me just put in the key. Maybe that helps. This dust with the key.
Now just unplug this.
Okay. Oh man. Oh, clip. Really?
There you go.
What was that? What?
Just save every part.
Hold it, man. Hold it.
This one here.
Hold on. They got clips on here. Ow. Hope I didn't break anything. I'll find out when I try to put it back on, though. What? That's the way you do things.
Oh, yeah. Hey, there it is. Just...
Those don't come
They're
off.
bolted on the bottom?
No. Just kind of there.
What do you mean?
I looked for the bolts. You can't find them. There's no bolts. It just slides on there, I think. So. Well. Ow. There's a point back there. No, that doesn't even budge.
No, it's locked on there.
Thing is, by what? The question showed me.
Want me to bring the extractor?
I don't know if that might work, but hold on.
I believe I got
You're
like
not gonna...
3 kinds of extractors.
Okay.
You really stripped this thing out.
But yeah. How's this thing going? I'm not gonna be able to replace it if it's not stripped like this. There's a bunch of like glue here. It's weird. I don't even think that's grease.
It's just a bunch of buildup from the years.